Hey everyone, James here with the XRP headline channel. Buckle up, it's been a wild one. We've smashed some records and today's XRP headline, Hot Jam, is all about spotlighting a couple of the biggest highlights. While this won't cover everything, the liquidations are turning out to be far deeper than last night's report suggested. Stick around, and I'll break it all down for you. I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today. XRP just made history, clocking in more trades in a single 24-hour period than it has in its entire 12-plus years of existence. Let that sink in. It's not just surviving, it's thriving, outperforming most of the market right now. The strength I've been highlighting in my videos over the past few months, it's still holding strong. Even when the entire crypto market briefly tanked, XRP included, the rebound for XRP has been nothing short of explosive. We're talking massive upside. Worried about XRP's long-term potential? Stop. Questioning whether we'll see an alt season? Relax. Crypto is gonna crypto. It's wild, volatile, and unpredictable, but history has a way of repeating itself. If it rhymes this time, we'll likely see that euphoric altcoin blow off top, where everything goes full-on bananas. XRP could hit face-melting levels, breaking into price discovery and beyond. Quick reminder, I'm no financial guru, just a crypto enthusiast making videos for fun. Don't buy or sell based on anything I say. As of now, it's 2:13 p.m. Central Time, Monday, February 3rd, 2025. XRP is now sitting at $2.70. Remember just 18 hours ago when it dipped to $1.88 for what felt like a blink of an eye? Yeah, wild times. Look at the 24-hour low. No joke, $1.88, and here we are soaring again. Talked about it in my last video, and whew, what a ride. You love to see it, right? But let's be real. The chaos on social media during moments like this is off the charts. Crypto panic is almost a sport at this point. And yes, everyone keeps comparing this to the FTX collapse or the COVID dump in March 2020. And for good reason. Similar vibes, maybe even more intense this time. Now, let's talk Bitcoin. Back above $100,000 because, well, why not? The 24-hour low was 92,297, and now it's sitting pretty at 101,492. Sure, why the hell not? Might as well. Take a look at this post from Ben Zhu, co-founder and CEO of Bybit. And as I mentioned in my last video, posted about 12 hours ago, we just hit record territory for liquidations. Over $2 billion wiped out in a single market drop. Ben Zhu just dropped a bombshell. And if he's right, the numbers are absolutely mind-blowing. We're not talking about the previous $2 billion liquidation record. It's way beyond that. According to him, the real total liquidation might be somewhere between $8 billion and $10 billion. Let that sink in. That's more than 5 times the old record. Pure chaos. Absolute insanity. Crypto traders, y'all are wild. Here's what the CEO of a major cryptocurrency exchange had to say. Bybit's 24-hour liquidation alone hit $2.1 billion. But wait. CoinGlass data shows Bybit liquidations at just $333 million. What gives? Zhu clarified that API limitations restrict how much data can be pushed out per second, and it seems other exchanges are doing the same. Now, Bybit promises to release all liquidation data moving forward in the name of transparency. Took them long enough, right? Let's hope others follow suit. If Zhu's estimates hold up, this is even crazier than I imagined when I first saw over $2 billion in liquidations last night. Honestly, maybe the answer is simple. Don't play with leverage. Stop getting liquidated by not playing with leverage. Seriously, are the ridiculous gains in crypto from holding for a few months not enough? Do you really need to sprinkle in more risk? Y'all are living on the edge. Right after I saw XRP hit $1.88, I had some thoughts. Let me be clear. I didn't buy anything, but here's what crossed my mind. If I were adding to my bags, I'd have jumped in right there. These moments, capitulation events, are like giant clearance sales in crypto. No guarantees, of course, but they're usually over in a flash. Every analyst I follow, while acknowledging potential sideways action, doesn't see another big drop coming. Not one. Sure, the improbable can happen. This is investing, after all. Nothing's ever certain. But historically, these bottoms are brief. Look at the charts. XRP, Bitcoin, you name it. During events like FTX or COVID, I bought the dips, bags packed to the brim. But this time, I'm done. My buying levels were so low that this drop didn't even tempt me. I've already put in what I wanted to, and now I'm just sitting back. ready for the ride. For those of you who took advantage of this dip, well done. Hope you snagged some deals and made it count. No one can say with 100% certainty when the bottom is hit. I couldn't either. But based on experience, these moments, they're gold for the daring. When it comes to market crashes, signs of a turnaround are often hiding in plain sight. Take this post from chart analyst Mustache. Bitcoin is showing exactly the bounce you want to see to keep the bull market alive. He shared it at 10:16 a.m. today. And my take from yesterday? Still the same. If you weathered the storm from yesterday's plunge, you could come out of this bull run with serious gains. Meanwhile, chart analyst Mikey Bull Crypto chimed in at 9:44 a.m. Central Time. Alt season could kick off this month right after the dust settles from the largest liquidation in history. The odds? Pretty high. These aren't fly-by-night opinions. Seasoned analysts I trust are echoing similar sentiments. It's not a guarantee. Nothing ever is. But the consensus is clear. The worst might be behind us. Structurally, the charts remain intact, and the bottom seems to be in. Even chart analyst Crypto Michael is weighing in on XRP with optimism. The odds of XRP flipping ETH just got even stronger, in my opinion. If you're not already eyeing XRP, now might be the time to start. It's the altcoin I feel most confident holding this year, and for good reason. One of the analysts I follow, who accurately predicted XRP's breakout back in November 2024, despite years of FUD, is doubling down. He believes XRP is still the strongest coin out there, poised to overtake ETH. The best days? Still ahead. Let's talk numbers. Chart analyst Dom has been tracking XRP's wild ride, and the stats are jaw-dropping. Last night at 9:20 p.m., when chaos was in full swing, XRP was up 29% in just 1 hour. Why? Order books got wiped clean, and the price shot back up like a vacuum. Fast forward to this morning at 10:38 a.m. XRP was up 50% in just 14 hours. Dom's response? What even is this market? And it didn't stop there. By 1:30 p.m., XRP had recovered 55% in just 17 hours. Absolute madness. Folks, this is what strength looks like. Dom also shared insights on the mechanics behind the madness. A massive wave of selling, $170 million net sold across major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, triggered the initial drop. But the market wasn't done. Spot buyers swooped in, pulling XRP's price right back up. Perps kept trying to offload. But since hitting the low, $233 million worth of XRP has been scooped up across Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and OKEx. Every major spot market bought the dip, except Bitnet. Looks like a wild game of musical chairs or panic sellers scrambling to buy back in this morning. Classic. Here's how it always goes. Panic sellers freak out. Oh no, it's lower than I wanted. Meanwhile, there's been zero change in the tech or utility behind these assets. Nothing fundamental has shifted. But the price drops, emotions take over, and people sell. Then, as the price starts climbing again, they panic buy. Oh no, it's going back up. It's a cycle as old as markets themselves. Don't be one of those lemmings. To be clear, I'm not here to tell you when or what to buy or sell. Just don't make decisions based on emotions. Use logic, reason, and data. We're adults, right? Well, at least by age. Behavior is another story. Here's an exciting stat. XRP and ETH dominated the market in the last 24 hours. XRP racked up 50.7 million trades. ETH hit 51.9 million. That's the highest 24-hour trade volume for XRP ever. Absolutely wild. And in a follow-up post, Dom highlighted ETH's dominance, showing 24-hour changes, transactions, and ETH USDT pair stats. XRP is finally showing some life, and I'm loving it. The blockchain backer shared a post today, pointing out something wild. A single daily candle spanned an entire dollar, bottom to top. That's mind-blowing. Especially since XRP hasn't been worth that much for most of the 7+ years I've held it. Crazy, right? I caught his latest video, and if you haven't yet, you should. It's packed with insights and a full breakdown of what just happened. Quick highlights? He's still calling for XRP to hit over $10 this market cycle. He mentioned $8, $9, $10, even $11 being in the cards. But he's skeptical about the $20 to $30 predictions some analysts are throwing out there. And honestly, he could be right. Who knows? Maybe those $20 claims pan out. Time will tell. What's clear is that XRP has been leading the market rally, something analysts everywhere are pointing out. And according to another analyst he referenced, we might have just witnessed the market bottom. Wild to think it all unfolded on a random Sunday night. Here's the latest from chart analyst Greg Crypto. XRP is on fire. The rendezvous I mentioned in my January 3rd, 2025 post has officially happened. Back then, I explained how the meeting point between the bull market support band and the price was crucial. The higher, the better. Well, It just landed at an impressive $1.78, a solid level for the bulls to scoop up XRP like there's no tomorrow. Right now, we're seeing a long-legged candle forming, a textbook bullish sign. Closing above the Fibonacci level at $2.02 is great, but to really unleash XRP's potential, we need to smash through $2.83, Fib $2.86, and push to $3.30. It's clear. XRP's strength is unreal, and it's not letting up. Some analysts called this breakout perfectly, staying consistent even through dips. Unlike the fly-by-night crowd who flip biases faster than the market shifts, one day crying doom, the next cheering alt season, this isn't about following the flock. XRP is proving its resilience, and those grounded in real analysis know it's gearing up for something massive. Wow, this is wild. Some of the stuff you hear and see here, absolutely ridiculous. That's why I always make it a point to gather insights from a range of analysts. But hey, here's something crazy from Dark Defender. Welcome to the world of crypto. XRP is clocking a mind-blowing $36 billion in 24-hour volume. Let that sink in. $36 billion. Insane, right? Just look at that volume. I can't say for sure if this is an all-time record, but honestly, I don't remember ever seeing it this high. If Livecoin Watch is accurate, this crushes the previous records, and by a long shot. It totally makes sense given the sheer number of trades happening. Look at that chart. You can barely see it, but that spike is massive. There's so much more to unpack here, possibly even some market manipulation, but I'll save that for later today. For now, let's start with this. After last night's chaos, I think this is the right approach. Everything's fine. I always knew I'd get to say that eventually. It was just a matter of when. And unless a wild black swan event swoops in, the odds are in favor of this being the bottom. Sure, nothing's guaranteed, but probabilities? They're kind of my thing. From here, I see an eventual move to the upside, and at some point that euphoric blow-off top we all know is coming. It's just how these things go. No big deal. But hey, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything based on what I say. Seriously, that's a terrible idea. Stay sharp out there.